In this video, we are going to familiarize you about sa lifeline signals. Kapag merong rescue from enclosed space emergency na kailangan nating execute, what are the lifeline signals? Okay, let's crack on with it. Okay, there are times na we need to understand, okay, when you pull yung lifeline ng isang beses, okay, yung lifeline tender, okay, yung nasa labas, okay? Usually, ang lifeline tender is yung nasa labas, and then yung rescue party is yung taong nasa loob, okay? Now, when the lifeline tenders, okay, pulls the lifeline one time, are you all right? Ang response ng rescue party is, yes, I am all right, okay? The next stop is, okay, kung ang lifeline tender is dalawang bira, okay, sugod or advance, okay? Now, yung next naman is, ang response ng rescue party is, okay, I am going ahead. Okay? Next stop naman is kung 3 times, okay, pinull out, okay, 3 times pinull ang ating lifeline, okay, labas or come out, okay? Ang response ni rescue party is, I am coming back. Okay? Dito, walang response for pulling 4 times. On the other hand, ang response ni rescue party is dire-diretsong bira ng linya 4 times, send me help. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, ganun din kay lifeline tender na 5 times, wala rin. However, ang response ni rescue party kapag nandun siya sa enclosed space, pag kailangan siyang i-rescue, okay? Casualty is on the stretcher, commence to heave up. Okay? You have to inform yung lifeline tender, kung ikaw yung rescue party, na you have to pull the casualty from the enclosed space by pulling it 5 times. Okay, so again, this is only a basic familiarization to rescue from enclosed space. Okay, now I would be familiarizing you in my other videos regarding other emergencies experienced on board. Okay, but hope you've learned something new. Be happy, be healthy, and most importantly, to God be all the glory. Keep safe.